listen to.
Naglakad papunta sa tindahan. Naglakad papunta sa tindahan.
Turn around.
Turn around? Oh, there's someone doing there. Oh, they're pulling the trees. Okay. Ano ba to?
Look at all the trees they got so far. Look down. Look at all that.
Parang nasa Pilipinas na ako. Ang init. Ang init. Pero hindi masyadong, pero hindi maalinsangan. Ewan ko, ano ba yung tawag doon? Mainit siya, pero hindi, kasi parang malamig pa rin, malamig na mainit. Ano, no?
Speak Tagalog and you get so much louder.
Yeah? Sige. Tara, samahan nyo kami papunta sa tindahan. Tindahan.
What?
Store. Tindahan.
Dahan?
I want to check that a treasure tree, honey. Let's go there.
Treasure trunk.
Treasure trunk. I mean treasure trunk, sorry.
Okay.
Oh no, I need a back up. Back up.
Haha, they're
Back up,
closed.
please. Oh, what? Dude, but why is closed? I really want to.
It's probably not 10 o'clock.
Oh, it's already.
10:35.
Oh, maybe just they do because of the sun, the reflection. Oh,
There's
it's not.
no cars or nothing though.
It's not closed, honey. Trust me. It's
No,
not
there's
closed.
no employee cars or nothing.
Tara, samahan nyo kami sa. Punta tayo sa thrift store. Punta tayo sa thrift store. I'll check it if it's closed or not.
Check if there's no one that works here.
It's open! It's open! Oh, there's a bike. Let's go. It's open.
So, these are display last week. You were cool.
Yeah?
You were cool.
Okay. Wow.
Told you.
It's closed. When we come back, I want to check what is. Maybe I found something. My hand's still tired holding the camera. Oh no, holding my phone. My phone is heavy. I don't know why. It's so hot.
It's not hot yet.
Not hot yet?
Philippines is way hotter.
Really?
Although it's only 10.
10?
10:30.
Yeah.
By 2 o'clock,
Oh
it'll
my
be
god.
hotter than the Philippines.
Yeah, it's hotter than the Philippines. Oh wow. My favorite. Addict sa makeup. Addict sa makeup. My favorite. There we go.
When you start getting paychecks, I might have to hold on to them so you don't just buy an aisle of makeup.
Buy makeup. Buy makeup. Okay. Okay. Even mascara and oil free. I want to try that. Okay.
I really want to try these Dorito loaded things, but they're not cheap.
Dorito loaded.
Well, they're not like really expensive, but it's so few. Like, it'll take 3 of those boxes to get me full.
Yeah.
And I don't want to spend $15 on something good to get full.
Okay. Okay. Let's move on.
Never.
Okay.
Never.
Let's move on. Hi.
English?
That's super weird.
Yeah, don't wear shorts.
Hey, look, I'm vlogging. Hey, I'm vlogging. Ta-da! I'm silly.
Yeah.
What else?
I don't know.
Can I ride the cart? It push me.
No children in basket.
Oh, let's go to the clothing store. It's my favorite. This is my, oh, I really like this one. I liked it. $14.
But it's like summer.
Yeah.
Now hurry up before I realize how much this costs.
Hi.
Want to play football?
Sure. Oh, I don't know how to play football though. I'm scared. Is it heavy? Oh no.
Grab one not in a box.
This one? Oh.
Not heavy at all.
Why is it open the flashlight? Okay.
Why is the light
Open
on?
the camera, yes. Oh, my hand's not.
There we go. Don't need a light.
It's not heavy though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So how do you throw it?
I don't know how to do it. I don't know how. Like this?
No.
Oh.
See. Like that. Keep your hand on the back. And when you throw it, your fingers go down, which makes it spin.
Okay. Like this? Like this?
No, your fingers go on the threads right there, like that.
Okay.
Hold your hand up. Okay. Yeah.
Catch. Are you sure you're gonna catch it?
If I get further back, yeah.
Go
Okay.
out of me.
No, come on.
Oh. No, I can't. No.
Catch. See? It's easy.
That's heavy though. Oh, I love it.
It's shaped like that because it's easy to catch.
Yeah.
Here you go.
What we got? We got a patch sheet. My
Tilt down more.
Till down more. My makeup remover. Some, if I play with my makeup and my, what do you call that? I don't know. Oh, eyeliner brush. Yeah, gel eyeliner brush. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I
Okay.
want to try this. Ta-da! And let's move on. Oh my god, my hands is so tired holding my camera. So tired. Really tired. Like, oh no. So, what next? Oh, this is my favorite. I like it. Hi. Oh no, this is my favorite. Hi, Christine. Oh, is that pretty? Hi. So hot.
It's gonna get dark right when we get home.
Yeah. Okay, we're heading home. Pauwi na kami. Pauwi na kami. Tadaan! Tadaan! Hi! I'm Zoe.
Yeah, you are.
Oh
They're
God.
wispy.
Holding the camera is... My arms is tired. Holding phone. My phone is kind of heavy.
That's your exercise for today.
Oh, it's really tired. I need backup. Backup, please. Backup. Holding the camera. Oh, God, it's heavy.
Switch on.
I don't know. It's fine. I will survive. That's the park.
Look, a
There we
Home
go.
Depot truck.
How pretty is that? The grass? Oh, that's the park. I don't know what to call that park. What do you call that park, honey?
I forgot. There's a sign.
Really? You don't know? You're...
I think it's Randall.
Yeah, Randall. Yeah, I remember. 'Cause I have a lots of photos standing on that sign. Oh yeah, it's Home Depot truck.
So the Home Depot trucks, they have
Hold on.
scales in their bed. To if you carry stuff that's too heavy, it won't let you drive. I know how to trip the scale. I can make them stuck here.
Yeah.
That's on a scale the whole back.
Okay.
Just funny. some stuff. Be like, $50, I'll let you go.
I don't know. Okay. So we're home. We're home. We're home. Turn all the lights on. My arm is so tired. I need help. 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 Okay, we're home. Bye.